Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath it's a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 19-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Brushed aluminum running boards. An espresso brown ginger beige MB Tex interior. Panorama sunroof. Come on back, GLE 350 4MATIC badging. Trailer hitch, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Come alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, lane keep assist, Harman Kardon sound system, dark linden wood trim memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, a rear view backup camera, hard keys for our media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLE has 46,861 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.